won freestyle.
Well, David, you know Cameron Queen took a freestyle win in 2013 here at Rogers Center, so you know, as Canada's Pride, he is going to be disappointed with that one. He was ready. The truck apparently quite wasn't after a real hard hit.
Darren, I'm getting word from the pits. He may try and go on 3 wheels. Canada, you want to see him go on 3 wheels? Let's see what the pit crew's got for us. Looks like one of our officials out front. If he gives him the signal, come on, let him hear you!
Well, a great shot of Cam McQueen and Northern Nightmare gathering up his racing equipment. He just might have an opportunity to take another shot at this. What do you say about that, Toronto? I can't hear you! I want to see you wave your flags. Let's make some noise. Cam McQueen, Northern Nightmare. And the remote ignition interrupters come into play. While the right rear of the truck almost laying into concrete here, but what a great job. Northern Nightmare looking to refire once again. This is a determined man. He is born in Calgary, lives now in Kelowna, British Columbia. And then what a run for Northern Nightmare. Sans right rear. He's looking for yet another Freestyle World Championship coming up March 20th through 22nd. The World Finals 15.